Hello folks. Today, I will show you 5 natural ways to improve your vision. Vision is a fundamental human sense without which we couldn't fully appreciate the beauty of the world. It is also one of our most important organs, facilitating not only interpersonal communication but also the execution of daily activities. Every day, our eyes are exposed to harmful factors such as sunlight, computers, televisions, and improper reading habits. It's not surprising that an increasing number of people are experiencing vision problems. To ensure the health of our eyes, we should take proper care of them, a responsibility often forgotten in the whirlwind of daily life. Don't forget to share my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments below what your best eye care method is. 1. Exercise your eyes. Our vision, like our entire body, needs regular exercise to stay healthy. You just need to know how to exercise your eyes. Performing everyday activities can significantly worsen your vision. Therefore, it's worthwhile to find a few minutes each day for exercises that relax the eyes and improve their function. This can include reading, focusing on distant objects, looking at a circular pattern, imagining an inverted figure 8 and tracing its perimeter. An exercise that improves blood circulation to the eye sockets and consequently eye function is eyelid compression. It is especially recommended for people who work on computers. The exercise should be done every hour during work, and it can be alternated with a series of blinks. The result? Moisturized and better perfused eyes, leading to sharper vision. 2. Protect your eyes from harmful light. Many of us expose our eyes to artificial, harmful light in our daily work. Unnatural light quickly fatigues the eyes, making our work less efficient. Therefore, it is advisable to limit work and study under artificial light. Our eyes are particularly sensitive to computers, smartphones, tablets, dim lighting, and fluorescent elements. If we cannot avoid contact with them, we should equip ourselves with suitable eye protection. Firstly, glasses, and secondly, eye drops. 3. Maintain a proper diet. Eyes are one of the most sensitive organs. To keep them healthy and fit, they need properly selected nutrients that should be included in our daily diet. We're talking about vitamins A, E, and C, omega-3 fatty acids, and lutein. Therefore, the daily menu should include leafy green vegetables, fish, beans, nuts, fruits, especially citrus fruits, and carrots. What to avoid? Foods high in fat, processed foods, salt, and refined sugars, which are particularly harmful to the eyes. If you want to maintain healthy eyes, avoid fast food and high-calorie snacks. 4. Let your eyes rest. In addition to exercise, our eyes also need rest. We're talking about a few minutes of rest during work and relaxing the eyes during sleep. To refresh your eyes during work, close them for a few minutes and then rinse them with cold water. Our eyes should be properly prepared for sleep. Before bedtime, it's beneficial to apply a compress of green tea leaves, which helps them relax, reduce swelling, and restore their luster. If we work in front of a computer every day or under conditions that harm our vision, a green tea regimen is recommended every other day. In other cases, 2 days a week are sufficient. 5. Prevention is key. Prevention is the key to health, and our eyes also demand it. In addition to natural methods that improve our vision, it's important to remember to undergo regular checkups with an eye doctor. This is especially true for people who wear glasses and have acquired vision problems.